So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add bank account with your PayPal account. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open your PayPal account on your computer, and after that you guys will need to select this settings icon which is on the top right corner. Now select on this and now select this account settings option. Now scroll down on your left and you guys can see this option called money, banks and cards. Now select on this. And on your right you guys can see this category called bank accounts. Now under this category you guys can see this option called link a new bank account. Now select on this button, and now you have to select your IFSC code, or if you want to enter your bank account with your bank name, then you have to select this option right here. I'm going with this. So first of all you will need to search for your bank name, and now select your state. Now select your city or town. Now select your branch location, and now enter your account number. So after entering the account number, you guys will need to select the account name for your business or personal, and after that you guys will need to select on this link your bank button. So guys, after selecting this link your bank button, now you guys have successfully linked your bank account with your PayPal account. So that's how you guys can be able to link your bank account to your PayPal account. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.